What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to be replacing our factory shift knob with an aftermarket one. Let's get into it. So guys, we are going to be changing out our factory shift knob. Now, as I've stated in my previous video, this is my first time ever owning a manual car. People that I know that have them say that one of the first things that you should do, or one of the things that you should do just in general, is change out your shift knob because it makes a big difference in your just day-to-day driving habits. From what I've researched and what I've come across is the best one basically for shifts and stuff like that is getting a weighted shift knob. So I went ahead and picked up a weighted shift knob. Now, if you guys have any comments or anything that you can help me out with just to give me some further insight on shift knobs just in general, drop them in the comments below, because like I said, this is my first time driving a manual car. They say that changing out your shift knob can change the whole experience. If you guys have any experience with shift knobs, I'd love to read them and get you guys' take on it. The shift knob that I went ahead and ordered was this little guy right here. Looks like a little cue ball. I got this from a company called Raceseng. I'll leave the link to this shift knob in my description and the company. They have all kinds of different shift knobs available for the 4th gen Mazda 3. This one is called the Slammer. They have all different kinds. This one weighs about 1.4 pounds. This isn't their heaviest one. Their heaviest one is called the Ashiko, and it weighs 1.5 pounds. I wasn't really feeling it too much. I got this one because it's more rounded, pretty similar to the factory one, just on a larger scale, and I wanted to keep that factory kind of feel. So what you're going to need for this is obviously your thread adapter, your shifter, and some blue Loctite. The first step we're going to do obviously is we're going to be taking off our factory shift knob, so we're just going to unscrew it. So with that done, what we're going to do now is take some of our blue thread locker, and we're going to put a little bit on these threads. Not a lot, do not overdo this, just a little bit. Now what we're going to do is take our adapter that came with the kit, screw that on. And now we're just going to take a crescent wrench or whatever tool you got, and we're going to tighten it down, and we're going to make sure it's pretty tight. And now we're going to just leave it here for about 10 minutes and let the Loctite dry up. So with our thread locker settled and hardened up, we can go ahead and twist on our new shift knob. Now, if you have some sort of emblem, logo, the 6-speed like I do, it's clearly off right now, so we have to unscrew it. So with Racing, I don't know if any other company has this adapter, but Racing actually has an Allen key at the top that basically adjusts, I guess, a proper placement of where you want it tightened. So we're going to undo the Allen key just a little bit from my application. And all right, guys, so I finally got it all lined up, looking perfect. And this is the install complete, guys. Once you got it tightened down, fully locked on, you're good to go. I will say, just first impression, throwing it into gears, man, just feels so effortless. It's insane. But I will say, guys, the boot is kind of hanging down, so if anybody has some home remedy to have the boot stay up, I really didn't feel like paying the extra, like, I think it was like 50, 60 bucks for a boot collar from Racing. So if anybody has like a home remedy to keep it up, drop it in the comments, or I might have to just pay the 50 bucks and get a boot collar, because this hanging down is definitely an eyesore for me. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's the installation complete. Took maybe 5 minutes with the Loctite drying. 15. I can definitely feel a major difference when throwing the car into gear. Just general, I haven't gone to drive yet, but maybe I'll keep y'all updated on that. A huge difference. So I'm really excited to get behind the wheel and test it out, see how good it feels. With that said, guys, we will see you guys in the next Mazda video. Peace out.